In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Squarespace. If you want to keep your files organized inside your Squarespace site, creating folders in the asset library is a simple and helpful way to do it. This is especially useful if you're working with lots of images, documents, or other uploaded files, and you want to separate them by project, page, or content type. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the site where you want to manage your files. Once you're inside the site dashboard, go to the main menu and click on Website. This section gives you access to the core parts of your site, including the tools used to manage content and media. After that, click on Assets. The asset library is where Squarespace stores your uploaded files, such as images and other media used throughout your website. If you've already uploaded content before, you may see a list of existing files and folders here. This area is designed to help you keep everything in one place, so it's a good habit to organize it well from the start. Now look for the ADD folder button and click it. This opens the option to create a new folder inside your asset library. Folders can make your workflow much easier, especially when you want to quickly find files later without scrolling through a long list of uploads. Next, type the folder name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the folder will contain. For example, you might use names based on a section of your website, a specific campaign, or a type of media. Keeping folder names short but descriptive can save time later and make your asset library easier to manage. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Squarespace will then create the folder and add it to your asset library. At that point, you can start using it to organize your files more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in Squarespace. Even though the process is quick, it can make a big difference in keeping your website content neat and easier to navigate behind the scenes. If you're uploading files regularly, creating folders as you go can help prevent clutter and keep your media organized over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.